Vcamera Pro Plus. No, this is Colombia Divindia. Now I open this Divindia APK. Select my ID and password. Now it's open. It's took some time. That's open. Selfie verification. Now it's open. Vcamera Pro Plus. New version APK. It's working very well. Any KYC bypass verification systems. The apps is most powerful APK, like in Colombia, India, New Banks, and Brazil, Colombia, Niku Colombia, Uber driver. Let's make a Uber driver KYC selfie uploads. Let's open Uber driver. Now log in and click any browser. This browser is Uber driver safe because the app's emulator is block your account. That's now open this browser and paste your driver. Open your profile. That's when it's open its profile. Check a long. That's it's open and select your any photo and video. You upload this. Your driver. So viewers, if you want this APK, please contact the admin and hit the description box. Adding Telegram or WhatsApp. You also good working. I have you have on any kind of blog, just a trusted site. Hit the description box and text the admin, contact admin. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe to the channel.